Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. In this channel I hope to provide you with tools and techniques that can help you transform your mental health if you suffer with anxiety and obsessive compulsive disorder. So in this video today I want to talk about how can you help someone that's suffering with OCD. So whether that be a sibling, a parent or someone that you know, a friend. I suppose the first bit of advice I'd give, because I've suffered with OCD myself, is to know, I suppose, first of all, what OCD is and the various different types of OCD. I have a video done on that. I'll link it above here and below that you can look at, and that will just give you more information about what OCD is. Once we know kind of a little bit more about OCD, the different types of OCD, how it can affect a person, therefore we're more able to approach that person from a place of understanding. I know for myself personally, when I suffered with OCD, intrusive thoughts, I didn't want to tell anybody about it because I didn't understand what the thoughts were. I was ashamed, I was embarrassed, I was severely distressed and severely anxious. So I did keep it to myself for a long time. Now, that's generally what I hear from a lot of people that have OCD, is that they'll keep it to themselves for a long time. Unfortunately, because they feel like they are the only ones that has this. But once you notice the signs by doing your research, by understanding a little bit more about OCD, therefore you're more aware about what the signs of OCD is. So you're more able to approach that person from a place of understanding. Once that line of communication is open and you actually have discussed a little bit about OCD with the person, therefore you really have allowed that person to be able to come to you on a regular basis for support. And that's the number one thing that people really want, is support, and to know that they're not alone. And because you will have done some research, you'll have done some reading, you'll have understand a little bit more about it, you will be able to advise them and show them maybe different materials that you've read or you've listened to. This is key, as I said, because once a person opens up to you and be able to discuss how they feel, they may not tell you about the intrusive thoughts, they may not say the content, and that's okay. They don't need to. They just need to know that there's someone there that they can talk to. Then the next step would be to research treatment, to look up various different treatment options available for the person, to obviously discuss this with the individual and to know that there is help out there. So I offer a free consultation for either a person that has OCD or either a person that's supporting someone else that has OCD, and I can offer some advice for you in the best direction forward. So if you would like to avail of that, I place the link above and I place the link below. But I can't emphasize enough that when someone has OCD, they do not expect the other person to understand, because they can never understand unless you've had OCD what it's like to have these intrusive thoughts. But what the person really wants is someone that can support, someone they can trust in a non-judgmental and safe environment. And once that's opened up with you and the other person, therefore it's going to be like a light at the end of the tunnel for that person that has OCD, because they feel like they're not alone, and to know that you can actually talk to somebody is gold, because they'll constantly live in their head, constantly being anxious, worried, but to know that there's someone else that I can actually talk to about this is everything. So that's my tip for today, to please research, to please learn a little bit more about OCD so you know the signs, you're able to communicate this with the person, and you're opening up this line of communication that's ultimately going to help the person that has OCD get better, because they're going to want to seek treatment. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. As usual, I put out regular content, and I hope that this can help you with any mental health issues that you may be having at the moment. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care.